Solve this exponential equation for x. In this equation, you can see an expression with x in the exponent of this term. In order to solve the equation, you need to remove x from the exponent and then solve for it. With exponential equations, the most obvious way to take the x term out of the exponent is to take the logarithm of this expression, and in fact to take the logarithm of both sides of the equation. But you should look for ways of simplifying the process. Here's how. First of all, rewrite 4 as 2 squared times 2 to the 3x minus 2, and rewrite 64 as 2 to the 6th power. Combining these terms, we get 2 to the 3x minus 2 plus 2 equals 2 to the 6th. And then one more simplification here in the exponent, and we get 2 to the 3x equals 2 to the 6th. Notice that with this form of the equation, both terms have the same base, 2. When you have an equation like this, simply create a new equation with just the exponents. So we get 3x equals 6. Dividing both sides by 3, we get x is equal to 2. When solving exponential equations, look for ways of rewriting expressions so that they have a common base. When you do that, you can write a new equation using just the exponents.